Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Passwords and Security. Then click on Face Unlock. Enter your current login method, read the descriptions and tap Next. Then click Done, and now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is no longer required. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!